What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL, getting ready for a couple breaks tonight. This one is a Raz. We got a 3 jersey Raz going on. This is for 3 spots in the main Raz. So I think after this mini, there's only 2 left, I believe. We're live. Good luck. Top 2 names getting spots. Top name getting 2. Second name getting 1. It is 645. I was going to say that's not right, but it is. Jeffrey to Jonathan. Good luck, folks. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3 says 6:45. 6:45. Last and final will do it. Good luck. And there you have it. Jonathan McGrath, spot 10, and Jeffrey Loader, spot 1. The bookends strike again. So Jonathan's taking home 2 spots in the main, and Jeffrey's taking home 1. Here's your final timestamp. We do have to probably do one more mini to fill the whole break. 6:45. I keep saying break, but it's Raz. 6:45. There you have it. 4 times on the random spot 10 and spot 1, guys. Congrats again, and thanks for joining us.